Cooking rice has always been hard for us. It's been stressful, but thanks to Cosori and their 10-cup rice maker that they did send to me for free for my review, it has been a game changer for us. We've used this a couple of times already. We love how it works. It's got a fuzzy logic technology to it that gets the rice cooked just perfectly. And all you have to do is put in the rice and the water, make sure it's the right amount, right ratio, and then it will just do everything else. And in fact, it goes into warming mode right after and keeps it warm for you for several hours after it's done. So you can't really mess this up because we are terrible at cooking rice on the stove. So this is something that's completely revolutionized and excited us to be able to cook rice again. And not only that, it cooks porridge, it cooks oatmeal, you can steam vegetables in it and do other things. And they've included a cookbook with recipes if you really have a hard time knowing what to cook. And there are just some amazing recipes in here. Here's a pasta recipe, lots of fun food items to try. And they've also included this measuring cup that's very important when you're trying to get the rice water ratio correct, as well as this serving spoon. And it is very easy to use. This is for vegetables, so don't put your rice in this. This is just a steaming basket. One thing that I love about this is it actually has the measurements right on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a measurement scale on both sides. This is for the rice and the porridge, and then the other side is actually for other items, barley, oatmeal, and then a steaming level. So you know how much water to put in for those various things that you're going to cook. This appliance is easy to clean, which I'll show you a little later. But for now, why don't we get started on making this rice, letting the fuzzy logic of the Cosori do its magic. So we're going to make 2 cups of jasmine rice. I'm going to fill up 2 of these cups, and then we'll wash it. And ideally you want to make sure that that's pretty close. Exactly the height of the cup. You can brush it off, which I'm not going to do. And so I'm going to wash this rice, and then we'll put it in the rice cooker. I'll show you how to start it. Okay, you want to fill the water up to the 2 mark here. So I have it right around so these are cups of rice. And so I'm making 2 cups, so I'm going to put it up around the 2 level for water. Let's put in our first cup of rice. Let's put in the second cup of rice. And then we'll put it in the cooker. We'll close the lid. And then there's a start button here that we'll turn on, and it'll bring up this menu. And I'm cooking white rice, so we'll choose the white rice. And then it's going to ask the texture. The texture is regular now, but if I press the texture button, and it'll show that we're doing long grain for the jasmine. I'll press texture, and you have 3 options: soft, regular, and hard. I don't want hard, so I'll just hit the texture button again. We want the soft rice. It will cook a little longer, and this 53 minutes is kind of arbitrary. Because of the fuzzy logic, it actually may take less time than that to cook. Okay, so then we've got the texture set at soft. Now I could do a delay timer if I wanted to start cooking this later, but we want to start cooking now. So we'll hit start, and that's it. So it will eventually start counting down, but with the fuzzy logic technology, it's going to get a sense of how much it needs to cook this rice and the temperature. This will take a little bit to cook, and then I'll show you how to open this, and we'll check on the rice and see what it looks like. So it's been cooking for about 20 minutes, and you can see that the countdown is 30 minutes here, 10 minutes later, and it's already starting to steam, indicating that the rice is cooking well. And so here I'm ready to open it up. It's finished, And let's see what it looks like. And this rice is perfectly cooked, very sticky and very soft. So this is going to go great with the dinner we're preparing is what our dinner is, and the rice complements this really well. This is a delicious bowl that we're enjoying tonight. Washing this up is super easy, and with the non-stick surface, the food comes off really well. And I just place this back in here, but you don't want to forget this top part that snaps out, and then this this container here that kind of contains extra moisture. You want to make sure that this gets clean. As you can see, there's some rice residue on there. You need to clean that off. And when you clean this off, you want to make sure to clean out and dry out the part under the rubber gasket here, because that can contain the water, as you can see. So I need to run the towel through this to make sure this gets cleaned out before I put it back into the rice cooker. So once this is dry, I'm going to put it back in here, snap it in place. And then this just, there's a slot for this in the top. So I just put this back in, snaps in place, and then just close the lid, and that's it, I'm done. So that's the Cosori 10-cup rice cooker, and I absolutely love this thing. My wife loves this thing. We are back to cooking rice more often, so that's what we're excited about. There's just a whole lot of more dinner options that we can have. And so I highly recommend this appliance. It's been a game changer for us in the kitchen. So I appreciate you watching my review.